Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on a iPhone after update iOS 16.3.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Restart iPhone notification setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp page, tap notification. Turn off allow notification. Then go back setting page. Swipe up, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for a few seconds and turn on back. Enter your passcode. Then go back. Tap WhatsApp. Tap notification. Turn on allow notification. Select all option. Lock screen, notification center, banners. Solution number 2. Update WhatsApp on iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone. And search for WhatsApp. On the next screen, tap on the update option located next to WhatsApp Messenger. Solution number 3. Turn on WhatsApp notification setting. Open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Tap setting. Tap notification. Turn on all show notification. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap journal. On the journal page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 5. Turn on background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap general. On the general page, tap background app refresh. Again background app refresh. Select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Thanks for watching this video.